Let's check out how to resolve alpha boiler faults. If your alpha boiler suddenly stops working and shows an error code, it can feel stressful, especially when you lose heating or hot water. These fault codes are there to guide you. Once you understand what they mean, you can take the right first step, whether that's a quick fix or calling an engineer. Let's start with the most common alpha boiler fault codes. If you see an E01 fault code, it means the boiler has failed to ignite. In simple terms, it cannot detect a flame. This is often linked to gas supply issues, faulty ignition components, or worn electrodes. Next is the E10 fault code, which indicates low water pressure. This usually means the pressure has dropped below the safe level, often under 0.6 bar. The E20 fault code is another flame-related issue. The boiler shuts down because it cannot safely confirm that a flame is present. If your boiler shows E37 fault code, it means the voltage supply is too low. This can affect how the boiler operates and may require electrical checks. An E43 fault code points to flame loss during operation. This is often connected to ignition faults or gas supply interruptions. Then there's the E96 fault code, which usually indicates a faulty fan or a blocked flue. Both are important for safe ventilation, so this fault should not be ignored. Let's look at a few fixes you can safely try at home. For an E10 low pressure fault, you can repressurize your boiler using the filling loop. Bring the pressure up to around 1 to 1.5 bar. For ignition-related issues like E01 or error for 7, you can try resetting the boiler. Turn the selector to reset and wait about 30 seconds. If your boiler shows warning lights, a simple reset may clear temporary faults. Some faults are not safe to deal with on your own. When the issue involves internal parts or the gas system, it needs to be inspected by a qualified engineer. In these situations, it is best to leave it to a professional. Service team heating engineers can handle all the boiler makes and models, including alpha. As a professional boiler installer, we guarantee that we will meet the highest standards set by the manufacturer. Click on the link below to book a service team boiler repair. Thanks for watching, and stay warm.